Let's make hot chocolate sweet rolls. These chocolate breakfast rolls are the perfect treat for your holiday brunch. Start by adding 7 grams of active dry yeast to your stand mixing bowl with half a teaspoon of cane sugar and a quarter cup of warm water. Allow the yeast to bloom for at least 5 to 10 minutes or until it looks bubbly. Add 57 grams of salted butter and 1 cup of milk to a small pot and put over medium heat to melt the butter. Add 446 grams of all-purpose flour, 43 grams of Lake Champlain organic hot chocolate mix, 57 grams of cane sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 large egg to the mixing bowl with the yeast. Next, add in the melted butter and milk. Mix on low using the dough hook until the mixture comes together. Then knead on speed 2 to 4 for about 5 minutes until the dough is smooth. Transfer the dough to a mixing bowl and cover with plastic wrap. Allow it to rise for 1 to 3 hours or until it's doubled in size. You always want to make sure to look for visual signs that the dough has doubled and not rely on the time, as it can vary drastically depending on the temperature of your house or kitchen. While the dough is rising, make the filling. In a small bowl, add 113 grams of softened butter, 85 grams of cane sugar, and 28 grams of hot cocoa mix. Stir together until completely combined. Once the dough has risen, lightly flour your work surface and roll out the dough. It should be about 12 by 16 inches. Using your spatula, spread the butter and cocoa mixture all over the dough. Then, starting at the larger end, roll it into a log. Trim off the edges so you have an even log. Cut the dough into 8 rolls. Then place the rolls in a ceramic baking dish, or you could also use a cast iron skillet too. Bake at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes or until golden brown. Allow the rolls to cool for about 10 minutes. Then spread them with marshmallow cream. I also like to use a chocolate shaver and grate a dark chocolate bar on top for a little extra chocolate, but this part is totally optional. If you want more nostalgic breakfast recipes using organic ingredients, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.